So now see, there are fill in the blanks views on the issues of giving bonus to employees. क्या है?
Independent.
Divergent.
सॉल्व नहीं किया क्या? Divergent.
Sir, how can views be divergent? They can be diverse views, right?
Different views.
But that is not the word, I think.
With a modest figure.
Sir, usually if someone is having different views, they have their independent views, right? That's what we say. सर माहित नाही ते काय होतं, सगळे चुकतात इंग्लिश वाले आजकाल. विश्वास
एक ही चीज पर
इंग्लिश वर.
यहाँ पे जो है ये सिंगुलर थी. They are talking about singular thing. Bonus to the employees.
Yes, so everyone can have their independent opinion.
एक ही चीज पे. मतलब
हाँ, I can have mine, you can have yours. हाँ, maybe I think we should give. You feel you should not give.
Maybe. But answer is divergent. I'm damn sure.
तेच सर माझे सगळे चुकतात इथे, सगळे चुकतात. जाऊ दे ते.
The teacher ordered Kamal to leave the room and for bed. Okay, option C. What list number must be added to 1056 so that the sum is completely divisible by 23? Very easy. You need to divide. Okay. So first divide 1056 with 23. Okay. We will get something 45. Okay. And 21 as a reminder. Okay. So if 21 is reminder, okay. If it is 23, अगर ये 21 की जगह 23 होता तो completely divisible हो जाएगा. मतलब कम कितना है? 23 minus 21, 2. So 2 should be added to make it completely divisible. 21 बचा है, 23 बचता तो 1 आ जाता. 23 1 जा 23. इसलिए 2 should be added. Clear? या मैन्युअली करना पड़ेगा, कैलकुलेटर काम नहीं करेगा.
सर आम्ही सर याला असे सॉल्व करता येतं ना. 1056 व्हॅल्यू आहे, त्याला टोटल ऍड करून पाहायचं. पहिले +2 मग +3, ज्यांनी बरोबर रिमाइंडर 0 होऊन जाईल ते तुमचा आन्सर आहे.
ये भी हो सकता है. ड्रॉबॅक ऑफ कैलकुलेटर्स. Which one of the following is not a prime number? What is prime number?
Which is divisible by itself and 1. And 1.
Okay. And 1 is not a prime number. So here, if you see 91, 13 7s are 91. Okay. So this is not a prime number. So option B. हमको जो नहीं है वो चूज करना है. Because 91 is divisible by 13 and 7. Prime number is such a number which is divisible by only 1 or itself, except 1. Okay, now next, insert the missing number. Find out the relation first.
+1 -1.
Into 2 +1 -1.
Yes, into 2 plus 1, then
into
into
2
2
+1
-1, into 2 +1, into 2 -1. So into 2 +1 -1 +1 -1 +1. So 262, 262, 60, 323. Sorry, 522 आना चाहिए था. No, oh, -1, 521. Okay, option B. Into 2 plus 1, you have 33. Okay, then into 2, 33 into 2, 66, -1, 65. Then 65 2s are 130, plus 1, 131, like this. Okay, so you will get 521. Option B. No, 523 plus 1 आएगा ना, here minus 1 and then plus 1. So 261 2s are 522 plus 1 523. Option A. Okay, clear? Health is too important to be neglected. Now here, see here, a by b to the power x minus 1, b by a to the power x minus 3. Okay, so here b by a can be written as a by b inverse. Or you can write b by a as a by b inverse.
सर वो x to the power -1 लिखा हुआ था क्या
हाँ, x
क्वेश्चन
minus
में?
1, a by b to the power x minus 1. पावर नहीं है, x minus 1 है. So now bases are same. You can compare powers. X minus 1 is equal to minus x minus 3. So minus से multiply कर दो, minus x minus minus plus 3. So x shift कर दो, plus you will get 2x and 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Option C. Question number 8. 5 to the power a 3125, then the value of 5 a minus 3. Again very easy. 3125 can be written as 5 to the power 5. Okay, so 5 to the power a is equal to 5 to the power 5. Okay, by comparing we will get value of a is equal to 5. Clear? Bases are same, then power is equal. So now 5a minus 3. So a की वैल्यू रख दो 5 minus 3 means 5 का square. So 5 square means 25. Option A. A minus b equal to 3. A square plus b square is equal to 29. Find the value of ab. Okay. So here 2ab can be written as a plus a square plus b square bracket a square plus b square minus a minus b whole square. Clear? Because a minus b whole square क्या आएगा? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So a square b square एडिशनल है और माइनस ए बी और माइनस सॉरी माइनस 2ab एंड माइनस प्लस 2ab हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड माइनस ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर गेट कैंसल, यू विल गेट 2ab only. So we can write 2ab in this form. And now we have value of a square plus b square and a minus b. Okay, so substitute here. So 29 minus a minus b 3. 3 square 9. So 29 minus 9 will get 20. Okay, so this is value of 2ab. value of 2 AB. Now AB is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. आई होप सबको ये आया होगा. इससे इजी एप्टीट्यूड हो ही नहीं सकता.
सर पर हमने बहुत ही अलग मेथड लगाई थी. वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के लिए हम 2 निकालते थे ना, वैसे सबको वहां पे पुट करके देखा, ये निकाला.
क्वाड्रेटिक
5 और
इक्वेशन
2
ये
आ गया.
a माइनस बी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है क्या? पावर 2 होगा तो ही क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन होता है. लीनियर इक्वेशन है.
सर उससे आगे उसके रूट तो मतलब यहाँ पे आ गए. 5 और 2 आया, उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया 10 आ गया.
मिरेकल. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. Speed is given if the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour. And the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream. Distance is given. Okay. So boat is moving in the same direction as the stream. Okay. So let's say stream is moving in this direction with 4 km per hour and your boat is moving in the same direction. Okay, so 13 km per hour. So total speed कितना हो जाएगा? So total speed
17 किलोमीटर.
13 plus 4, 17 km per hour. Now you have speed, you have total distance 68. So speed is equal to distance upon time. Now you can calculate time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, so time is equal to distance is 68 km and speed is 17 km per hour. Kilometer get cancelled. Per hour ऊपर आ जाएगा, hour बन जाएगा. So 68 divided by 17 will get 4 hours. 17 68 4 hours. Okay. क्या है, if you are getting very bad score consistently तो आपका इंटरेस्ट चला जाता है. कई बार ऐसा होता है, तो बोला थोड़ा इस बार अच्छे मार्क्स भी मिल जाए. Okay, I think okay, almost 8 to 9 questions are same. Okay.
इसमें एक डाउट है.
Yes.
If the topo sheet number was 53 J by 3, then the scale was like 1:50,000, right? If it is topo sheet there.
हो सकता है. Yes.
हाँ, real.
Actually,
But,
see, GSI. Okay, actual topo sheet scale is 1:50,000. Okay, but survey of this is standard scale for survey of India.
This is for small scale maps, right?
Yeah.
Entire India will cover in that map.
This is large scale map actually, not small scale. If
Large
value is
scale?
big, means small scale.
Achha, this is.
If
So
scale is bigger, means area will be covered. Okay, means bigger area will be covered, large area will be covered. So this is large scale actually.
Okay, but scale of this 53 J by 3 was 50,000. That is standard one.
Oh,
But
I am using random name actually. That is the reason.
Okay.
So geodetic scale or survey of India scale, this is standard scale. Okay, we are not generally using this scale. Okay, but for this problem only, if scale is not given, you need to use 1:50,000 only. Okay. So this is same. Okay, So go and watch the video for Jam Mock Test 5 on YouTube. This is same with the Jam. This is same. This is same. This is same. This is same. ये भी सेम है. Same 59. Same. This is different. Okay. Sedimentary rock, the diameter of grain is 3.5. Then the diameter of grain. No, ये भी है. These are the same. Isostacy. Same. No, this is different. Okay. So throw and heave of the bed offset by a normal fault of 100 meter and 200 meter respectively. The deep of the fault plane is fill in the blanks degree. So throw and heave. Okay. So vertical distance is your throw, horizontal distance is your heave. Okay. So throw and heave of a bed offset by a normal fault are 100 and 200. So this is 100. Okay. And the base is 200. Skip इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ 10 में से 2 हम हैं, 8 में से 4 लोग सुबह थे, है ना. 4 लोगों के लिए मैं फिर से रिपीट नहीं करूँगा. तो वीडियो वॉच कर, ठीक, वीडियो देख लेना. स्टिल अगर डाउट है तो मुझे पूछ लेना बाद में. So throw is 100 and heave is 200 meter respectively. The deep of the fault plane is. So deep क्या रहेगा? This should be your deep. Okay. But vertically opposite angle यहाँ पे. So ये हो गया आपका deep theta. Clear? So perpendicular and base. So you need to use tan theta. Clear? So use tan theta. So tan theta is equal to 100 by 200 means 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 1 by 2. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. कितना आएगा? अभी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर निकल रहे कि नहीं बराबर? इतने सारे हो गए अभी प्रैक्टिस करके. It will come around 26.5, 1 decimal place.
सर ये डीप कहाँ पे रहेगा बोले थे आपने?
ये रहेगा डीप एक्चुअली. ओके. हॉरिजॉन्टल के साथ आपका स्लोप जहाँ से फॉल्टिंग हुआ, बट वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल से ये वाला आपका थीटा हो जाएगा इस ट्रायंगल के लिए. तो हम ट्रायंगल का वैल्यू है हमारे पास, तो यहाँ से हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. फिर
बट एक्चुअली दैट डीप इज अ स्लोप ना?
स्लोप होगा बट मेजर कहाँ से करेंगे? हॉरिजॉन्टल से ना, तो इसलिए ये थीटा रहेगा. दिस इज योर डीप.
हाँ.
Find the pressure needed to generate a force of 125 kg with cylindrical boulder having diameter of 25 centimeter. Give your answer in kilopascal. Okay, so we have basic formula. Pressure is equal to force per unit area. Okay, pressure निकालना है. Okay, now first calculate the area. सी 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 9.8 न्यूटन इज गिवन. ओके, सो हमारे पास जो है फोर्स इज गिवन इन 125 kg. ओके, फोर्स इज इक्वल टू 125 kg. ओके, बट kg को न्यूटन में हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई with 9.8. okay, now the value of kg will be converted into newton, so it will come around 1225 newton. Okay, now your force is in newton. Okay, now you have diameter 25 centimeter, means radius 12.5. okay, so radius is 12.5. okay, but it is in centimeter. Now you, okay, for pressure or Pascal, what is Pascal? Pascal means Newton per meter square. Okay, so you need your radius in meter, so now divide by 100. Okay, so you will get 0.125 meter radius. Okay, now you need to calculate area. Okay, cylindrical boulder. Okay, if you are heating with the cylindrical boulder, let's say हथौड़ी से heat कर रहे हैं. Okay, if you are hitting with a hammer. Okay, so only circular area will touch the particular object. Okay, so in that case you need to calculate area of circle only, so that is pi r square. Okay, so 0.14 multiplied by 0.125 multiplied by 0.125 r square. Okay, now you have area in meter square. Okay, so it will come around 0.049 meter square. Okay, area. Now we can calculate pressure. Pressure is equal to force per unit area. So force is 1225 Newton. Okay, divided by area 0.049 meter square. Okay, so Newton per meter square means Pascal. So you will get your answer in Pascal. It will come around 25,000 Pascal. You need your answer in kilopascal. Okay, so again divide by 1000. 25 kPa.
Sir, in that question, one decimal place asked, so we can put 25.0.
हाँ चलेगा, रखा तो भी चलेगा, नहीं रखा तो भी चलेगा. In your final exam you will get range most probably. Clear? So next, a basalt has 10.23% of CaO and 328 ppm of SR. Calculate its Ca by SR ratio. Conversion factor is given. Okay, so first calculate Ca weight percentage. Ca weight percentage equal to CaO weight percentage. Okay, multiplied by conversion factor of Ca 0.7147. You will get CaO weight percentage is given 10.23. 10.23 multiplied by conversion factor 0.7147. Get value something 7.31 percentage. Now calculate Ca ppm. Ca concentration of calcium in parts per million. Okay, So CA weight percentage multiplied by 10,000. 10,000 कहाँ से आए? 1 weight percentage is equal to 10,000 ppm. ओके, ये आपको याद रखना है. 1 weight percentage is equal to 10,000 parts per million. Okay, you need to remember this way. So now you have CA weight percentage, that is 7.31 multiplied by 10,000. You will get your value of CA in ppm. Okay, it will 73100 ppm. So CA by SR ratio, CA oblique SR ratio is equal to 73100 divided by SR. SR particles are given 328 ppm of SR. So 328. If we divide this, we will get 222.9 up to 1 decimal place. You have solved this type of question. Okay, geochemistry में मैंने 4 questions करवाए इस टाइप के.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Then next and last, a rhyolitic liquid with 500 ppm Ba is undergoing fractional crystallization with a bulk distribution coefficient equal to 1. Okay, this is little bit tricky question. What will be the Ba content of this liquid after 25% fractionation? So if your bulk distribution coefficient is 1, okay, तो क्या हो जाएगा? First tell me the formula for fractional crystallization. Okay, Cl by Co, correct, is equal to F to the power D minus 1. Okay, this is the formula for fractional crystallization. Here value of D is 1. It is given. So if we substitute, okay, D is equal to 1, you will get Cl by Co is equal to 1. Correct? 1 F to the power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. If any number is having power 0, उसका आंसर क्या आता है? You will get answer 1. Clear? 1000 to the power 0 क्यों ना रहे? 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore to the power 0. आंसर हमेशा क्या आएगा? 1. Okay. So that means we will get Cl is equal to Co. Correct? But here concentration of Ba is given, means you have value of Cl and Cl is equal to Co, means you will get your answer 500 ppm. Clear? तो आप ये याद भी रख सकते हो, इफ योर वैल्यू ऑफ डी बल्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कोएफिशिएंट इज 1, so सीधा यहाँ पे आ जाओ, Cl is equal to Co will be equal. We have equal concentration in melt to the concentration in solid. Correct?